Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Kids Guitar Case is probably one of the most essential accessories for any young aspiring musician, offering a protective haven for their precious instrument while also adding a touch of personality and fun to their musical journey. This isn't just about safeguarding the guitar, it's about fostering a sense of responsibility and pride in their musical endeavors, making the case an integral part of their learning experience and a constant companion on their path to becoming a maestro. Number 5. Best Choice Products 30 inches Kids Acoustic Guitar Starter Kit. Get everything you need to start playing right away. This all-inclusive set comes with a carrying case, extra strings, a strap, and picks. Build your skills with 4 months of complimentary lessons from our partner, Fret Zealot. The app also features a digital tuner for easy tuning. Crafted from durable hardwood with a beautiful lacquered finish, it's built to feel and sound like a full-sized instrument for comfortable learning. Its classical design features a tight string gap, perfect for beginners. This helps reduce player fatigue and makes learning easier. Sized perfectly for children, they can easily reach every note. Available in various colors, your child can find their unique sound and style. What we like? This is an excellent all-in-one package for beginners. It comes with everything you need to start playing right away, including a case and extra strings. If you are looking for a complete starter set with added value, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The case is very sturdy and well padded, providing excellent protection for the guitar. It has multiple compartments for storing accessories like picks, straps, and tuners. The adjustable shoulder strap makes it comfortable to carry, even for long periods. Number 4. CAHAYA Electric Guitar Gig Bag. Introducing the CAHAYA Electric Guitar Gig Bag, designed to keep your instrument safe and secure. Its durable construction offers excellent protection against bumps and scratches. This gig bag is built to last, featuring robust materials that can withstand daily use. Despite its durability, it remains lightweight for easy transport. Carry all your essentials with ease. It provides ample space for your guitar, along with pockets for accessories like picks, cables, and tuners. Transporting your guitar has never been more comfortable. It includes padded shoulder straps and a sturdy handle for versatile carrying options. Whether you're heading to practice, a gig, or just a jam session, this gig bag is your perfect companion. It ensures your electric guitar is always ready to play. What we like? This gig bag offers good protection for your electric guitar with its 0.35-inch padding. It's comfortable to carry thanks to the adjustable shoulder straps and padded handle. If you need a functional and stylish case for your electric guitar, this is a solid option. What people say. The zipper works good. This one works well and allows for a K-line lorcan to fit in the main pocket. The lorcan is about the size of an overpriced college textbook, and fits in the main pocket with a little room to spare. I can also fit a pedal or two if I really try, along with a small Bluetooth transmitter instead of a cable. The only issue is the fit is a tiny bit tight around the corner where a stret horn would go. If I try to put my J. Massey's Jazzmaster in here, it will fit only with a little distending. It's possible, but I worry it will break the zipper. If that one spot were just a tiny bit bigger, you could fit a Jazzmaster or just about any Fender with ease. But all in all, the generous pockets make it pretty versatile. The level of protection is just fine for setting it in your car and driving across town. It's lightweight, but not like the paper-thin, cheap cases with no padding whatsoever. I feel pretty confident this won't tear at the weak points for a long time, easily long enough to get your money's worth. It's nice and simple and easy to use, and it looks pretty nice as well. I like that it doesn't have reflectors all over it, they're pretty subtle. All in all, I would recommend this, just be mindful if you have a Jazzmaster. It has a deeper body to hold a hollow body Les Paul or similar guitar, but also securely holds my Schecter or Fender Strat. It has plenty of pockets for convenient storage and retrieval. Number 3. CAHAYA Electric Guitar Bag CY0175. Carry your instrument with ease thanks to the padded handle and adjustable backpack-style straps. It's designed for maximum comfort on the go. Keep your guitar safe from bumps and scratches. It features a thick 0.35-inch padded lining throughout for excellent protection. Make a statement with its stylish gray nylon weave design, accented by vibrant blue zippers. This case offers a cool, contrasting look. Constructed from durable, lightweight nylon material, this case is built for longevity. It also features a shower-proof design to protect against light rain. Designed to fit most standard electric guitars, including single and double cutaway models. Its generous dimensions ensure a snug fit for your instrument. What we like. This upgraded case provides substantial 0.31-inch thick padding for your acoustic guitar. Its water-resistant exterior and strong zippers offer great protection against the elements. If you're seeking a durable and well-protected soft case with ample storage for accessories, this is a great pick. What people say. The handle fits your hand well and the zippers are oversized and smooth. There's a large zippered pocket and an extra rubber pad for protection on the bottom end. I also like the neck tie-down Velcro strap. It's padded well, has pockets, and goes with her guitar. Definitely got more than what we thought it would be. Nice, durable, and good-looking gig bag. Nicely padded and fits all of my guitars, which I rotate regularly and like to travel light when I gig and not be encumbered by a case. Number 2. CAHAYA Upgraded Premium Guitar Bag. Introducing the upgraded premium version of our guitar bag, designed to perfectly fit 40 to 42-inch acoustic guitars. It offers superior protection and convenience for musicians on the go. With a length of 42.9 inches and ample width and depth, this case accommodates your instrument comfortably. It features 0.31-inch thick sponge padding, providing more cushioning than our previous models. Keep your essentials organized with 2 exterior pouches. A large front pocket is ideal for sheet music, while an extra neck pocket securely holds accessories like pedals, cables, and tuners. Crafted from water-resistant Oxford cloth, this case protects your guitar from the elements. It's built to last with strong 2-way metal zippers and a non-slip silicone handle. The reinforced stitching ensures durability, and a convenient loop handle on the back allows for easy wall hanging when not in use. Carry your instrument with confidence and ease. What we like. Experience superior protection with this case featuring 0.65-inch high-density foam padding and a specialized neck cradle. Its Bohemian design is visually appealing, and it offers numerous pockets for all your gear. If you are a gigging musician who prioritizes both style and maximum protection for your acoustic guitar, this is the one to consider. What people say. This case is perfect for my child's guitar. It's lightweight and durable, and it has plenty of room for accessories. The padded interior protects the guitar well, and the adjustable strap makes it easy to carry. I love the bright color options available. My child was so excited to pick out a case that matched their personality. Number 1. CAHAYA Bohemian Vintage Acoustic Guitar Case CY0186. Introducing the CAHAYA Bohemian Vintage Acoustic Guitar Case. It beautifully blends eye-catching Bohemian style with exceptional protection for your instrument. This case features a 0.65-inch thick high-density foam padding, offering superior defense against impacts. Your guitar will stay safe and secure inside. With 5 spacious storage pockets, you can easily organize your sheet music, tablet, smartphone, tuners, picks, and more. Everything you need is within reach. The interior boasts ultra-thick padded sidewalls, a scratch-resistant lining, and an adjustable neck cradle for a perfect fit. A heavy-duty base adds further protection against daily wear and tear. Designed to accommodate 40, 41, and 42-inch acoustic and classical dreadnought guitars. It offers a snug and secure fit for your instrument. This sleek and subtle gig bag is the perfect choice for musicians on the go. Travel with your guitar confidently, knowing it's well protected. What we like. This electric guitar case is built with lightweight yet rugged nylon material, offering a shower-proof design for protection against light rain. It features comfortable adjustable straps and a stylish look. If you need a reliable and portable gig bag for your electric guitar, this case is a practical choice. What people say. This is an excellent thickly padded and stylish gig bag with plenty of pocket space, built with rugged construction. It has the added benefit of a neck cradle to protect the neck and tuners. The fabric on this is very thick and durable yet also nice to look at. There is so many places to put things. I have my books and music in one, guitar tools and strings in another. Picks and capo in another, and a place for extra guitar straps too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.